Hello guys, I am Lisa from GemPages. Welcome to the video tutorial series GemPages 101. Despite our wide range of integrations, the GemPages team knows that finding the specific third-party Shopify app you need can sometimes be a challenge. That's why we introduced the Shopify App element, designed to help you add any Shopify app into your GemPages-powered pages effortlessly, even if it's in our integration app list or not. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of using this powerful element. Here, I have a very detailed product page. It's looking good, but I want to add some customer reviews. You can either use an app from our list or search for the Shopify App element and drag and drop it to the preferred position on this page. Once you've picked your slot, hit that Publish button first. If you just save the page without publishing, the slot will only show up on the GemPages editor, not on the Shopify Theme Editor. So it's best that this should be the last step in your page designing process. For the next step, click on the Open Shopify Editor to customize the app slot. One important thing to remember is that before inserting your desired Shopify apps into the slot, click the App Embeds icon on the sidebar and select all the apps you want to integrate. In the Shopify Theme Editor, find the section that contains the Shopify App element. Click Add Block and choose the app you want to add to the page. Finally, hit Save. And that wraps up this tutorial. GemPages is proud to be the first page builder to introduce the Shopify App element. This innovative feature is now available to all our plans, ensuring that every GemPages user can harness its full potential. Thanks for watching.